How to get Temu discounts. So to start, we'll have to open our Temu application, and then in here we'll have to make sure that we are logged into our account. So how do we get Temu discounts? To do that, we'll have to get a coupon. So what we need to do now is to open our browser and then search for Temu coupon code. And then after that, it will automatically show you a lot of websites where you can get coupons. So as an example, I'm gonna tap on this Groupon website. And then after that, it will show me a lot of coupons here. What we need to do is to tap on the coupon that we want. After that, it will automatically show you a code. What we need to do is to tap on the copy option. Once we're done with that, we'll have to go back on our Temu account. In here, we'll have to tap on this U option. And then here on our profile, you will see this coupons and offers. Tap on this one. And then on top, we'll have to paste the code. Once you're done with that, tap on the apply option. So in here, as you can see, the coupon that I copied is invalid. But if you have selected or copied a valid coupon code, it will automatically add the coupon here. So what I need to do now is to simply go back on the browser and then search for another coupon that would be valid. So that's how easy we can get Temu discounts by using coupons. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one!